If you want to know how to rate on itch.io, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and simple way. Whether you want to leave a star rating, add a review, or just support an indie game you enjoyed, the process is easy once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to guides like this. Now, let's jump in. First, go to itch.io and open the game page you want to rate. This is important because ratings are usually done directly on the game's individual page, not from the home page or your library. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find the Ratings and Reviews section. Depending on the layout of the page, this area may appear farther down, under the game description, screenshots, and comments. When you reach the Ratings and Reviews area, look for the star symbol. You should see a row of stars that you can click on to choose your rating. Go ahead and click on the stars to select the score you want to give the game. Usually, a higher number of stars means a better rating, so choose the number that matches your experience with the game. After selecting your rating, you may also have the option to write a review or comment. This part is optional, but it's a great way to share your thoughts with the developer and other players. You can mention what you liked about the game, what stood out to you, or any feedback you want to give. If you don't want to write anything, you can simply leave the review box blank and continue. Once you're happy with your rating, click Submit to finish. After that, your rating will be added to the game's page. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can support creators, help other players discover great games, and share your opinion on itch.io. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.